what are we doing today? Well, this is a short cord. This is the end that used to be on the short cord, and yeah, it's no longer attached. So yeah, I think we need to put a new end on here, because that one no bueno. So there's the one we're going to put on. Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. These little repair ends are great for something like this. The lady made a mistake. She left her short cord plugged in, went to reposition the camper, and went just a smidge too far. That's a smidge too far. She pulled the end off. It happens. You know, happens to the best of us. How many of you out there have done that? You can tell me. I won't tell nobody else. We're going to start by getting this end apart, and I'll show you the inside. So I will find one of these ends and put it in my Amazon store. So if you need one of these ends, or you just want to have a spare, go there and check that out. And I really appreciate everybody that orders stuff from the Amazon store. Every little bit helps, right? It doesn't cost you anymore, and you know, you buy something off my Amazon store, and Amazon kicks me a couple pennies, so it's a good deal for everybody. You'll be buying it from Amazon anyway, probably. Well, all right. It's not exactly a number 1 Phillips, and it's not exactly a number 2 Phillips. Number 2 Phillips fits those little screws better, I think. It's just hard to get down the hole. It's going to be those super coarse screws they use in plastic. If you're a new viewer here, my name's Kenny. I am a hillbilly, and I work on RVs. Hence the name Hillbilly RV. Fascinating, right? Came up with that all by myself. Alright. If you notice some smoke around me, we're not on fire here. I think it's a fireplace or wood stove. Customer's like, "Oh no, don't worry about it. It's just fine. I'm just mentioning it." She's so nice. Kind of like y'all nice. If you're watching this video, if you're watching this video, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel. And if you subscribe, you might as well just go ahead and ring that notification bell too. I mean, why not, right? We got stuff falling around in here. That's usually a good sign, right? Boy, that one screw's just down in there. Maybe I'll see if I can find a better end to put in my Amazon store. So I don't know how I feel about this one right now, to be honest with you. Oh, I got it going my way now. Y'all were starting to wonder, wasn't you? Phew. Okay. I believe I got them backed out enough. There we are. Alright, there's the inside. We got a silver screw, we have a black screw, we have a green screw. So the black screw is going to get the black wire, silver screw is going to get the white wire, green screw is going to get the green wire. Pretty fascinating how they come up with that, huh? It's got a little strap that goes over the wire, over the insulation of the wire, to hold it all together. But I've done told her it still won't live through driving off with it still hooked to the pedestal though. She understands that. She's learned a lesson. Like us all. We all learn, right? We're supposed to be learning every day. Right? So I'm going to take my trusty knife, trim off that insulation, see what these wires look like in here. We may end up cutting 4 or 5 inches of this short cord off just to make sure we get good wire. I don't think the wire will be damaged. Most likely it just pulled out of that molded on end and just became 2 instead of becoming 1. Really trying to cut this. I think I need to flip my blade over. I think I've cut too much wire. There, brand new blade on that end. I think I've cut too much wire and stuff with that blade. There we go. You always got that paper in here that acts like a strain gauge to keep, just makes the cable strong and, you know, linear. So we'll get them trimmed off. See how our wires look. They look pretty good. Yeah, they look fine. Let me snip those off. Use my trusty Caterpillar. Yeah, I'm gonna have to strip that back a little bit more because the green wire needs to be longer than the black one and the white one. So we'll cut the black one and the white one the same length. We'll look here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this insulation back. Oh, another good inch. Let's just call it a good inch. What's a good inch? I don't know. Just a good inch. Try and do this without lopping a finger off. Trim the paper back again. It's like paper rope or something. Now would be a good time to give a shout out to all my lady viewers out there. You know, if you've been around my channel very long, I love to see ladies fix stuff, and they're always been a big part of my channel. 12 to 20% of my viewers are ladies, so good on you, ladies. I'm gonna reposition y'all just a little bit. We'll start assembling this thing. All right, now y'all don't have to look at me anymore. You can look and see what I'm doing. And oh yeah, if you've wondered what is wrong with that guy's face, again, if you're new to my channel, I am doing a chemo cream treatment. So yeah, my face is kind of jacked up right now, but it'll get better. It's got ferrules built into the lug, so it'll should grip the wire. It's designed for stranded wire. It's a camper thing. It's a camper 30 amp plug. So like I say, it's designed for stranded wire. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fine. Do have to run it through the strain relief first. I just wanted to see what that was going to be like. Whew, that's going to be fun. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try and find maybe a better end to put in my Amazon store. So I'm probably going to have to soap that thing up to get that to go on there. That rubber grommet goes in that end. So, yeah, once again, we got her. Just need to quit being a sissy. Alright, let's get that thing snugged up real good. Well, it came out because the washer got crooked. I wonder if them washers have two flat sides. They do. So you gotta make sure that washer's straight. See that washer on this screw? It's got two little flat sides that go inside that terminal. So you have to make sure it's turned correctly. As you tighten that screw up, aha, that's what happened a while ago. Yeah, that's what happened a while ago. That washer got sideways. We'll go ahead and put this strap back on just to hold that wire for me. Well, everything's nice and tight here. So, get this all together. Shouldn't be as easy to pull apart maybe as I thought it might be, because everything really fits nice and tight like it should. I'm gonna just go ahead and tighten that strain relief down. There we are. Now we got to get the black wires under their lugs. Get them cut to the correct length. Just do like that. Snipperoo it off. We can pick those lugs up out of there a little bit to help us. Strip back, get it under that screw, under the washer. This is the white wire, so it's going under the silver screw. You're working with stranded wire. It's very important to try your best not to have any loose wires. You want to get all the wires under the screw or whatever you're working on. You don't want to have any wild hairs sticking out. because that just causes issues. Alright, got everything under the washer. I gotta watch that washer, make sure it stays straight. Let's use the blade that's not so sharp. Get that washer lined up. There we are. So it stays. Yes. Okay. Now we got to do the black one. So I'm not going to bore you and make you watch all of that all over again. We're just going to put the black wire under the black screw, just like we've done the green and the white. And I'll be right back. Alright, so we got all the wires in there. We're going to put our little, where y'all at? We're going to put our little handle in there. We're going to put the two halves back together. There's our little handle. Now we're going to fight these screws that don't really have a size. Like I say, they're not exactly a number 2. They're not exactly a number 1. So there is no such thing as I know of as a 1.5 Phillips screwdriver. Maybe y'all know different. Is there such a thing as a 1.5? I don't know. But anyway, we're going to persevere, just like we always do. Because quitters never get anything accomplished, right? No. We don't want to be quitters. It's going back together a lot better than it came apart. Because you can get a 30 amp end at a big box store, Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever, and it'd probably be a little bit better quality, but they're also like super fragile. They're made out of that hard brown plastic material. You drop that short cord one time and it just shatters. So I buy these plastic ones that are designed for RVs, but they may just not be the best quality. But it's together, it's nice and strong. The lady will now have electricity in her van. So I guess that's going to be a wrap. So there you have it, folks. There's replacing the end on your 30 amp short cord. A 50 amp would be the same thing, only it's got one more wire. So that's going to be it. As always, I really appreciate y'all watching. This is Mercy. He is a bear dog. Because I've been here for half hour. I ain't seen a bear, not one bear. So he's got to be a bear dog, right? He's done chased them all off. They're scared to death of him. So say bye Mercy. Say bye, people. Good job.